All right, it's completed. So this is our model. Okay, now it's in here, the dynamic model. Okay, the same static model, but now we have two dynamic models. Okay, and now after you run the first dynamic model, now it becomes this results. So it becomes a result grid block. But now we focus on this, the black oil demo RP dynamic model. This is the second case. And just go to graphs. Okay, let's just focus on this result 2 first. Uncheck the result 1 from the original case. Okay, and maintain the template. Let's run the model. Hopefully we achieve better matching. Okay, I'm going to pause. I'm going to mute myself and let's observe the progression of the simulation. Okay, but still not so good for the water. And now let's check this result 1. Okay, so this is the result from result 1. Let's see what happened. Okay, so you see now we achieve better match for the water, right? We are here right now. Of course, I can change it to another color. You see, the water cut is better, so much better compared to the initial case. Okay, and oil also very, very good, right? Hopefully we can achieve perfect match, but I think the water cut a bit lower than the actual, especially at the late time. But yeah, so you see, right? After we change the relative permeability a little bit, all right, you can see now we can achieve very much better oil production and then water production and water cut while maintaining the matching for the liquid and for the water injection. Of course, if you are not satisfied enough, you can make another case under this or under that with another variant of relative permeability, for example. Okay, so I think that's about it. I actually want to make a third case, but let's see. Maybe we can make it another day. Okay, so I think we can call it a day in this series of videos. I don't know how many videos I'm going to break down this long video, but in this series of video, we have, we have learned about running the model, initializing the model, and making cases and compare it one another with one another. And then by making another case that is better, we can achieve a better match. Okay, so I think that's all. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope this video is useful. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next tNavigator or reservoir simulation videos. Thank you.